Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and the wiring diagram for the fuel flow control valve on Audi A4, A5, B8 with 2.7 TDI and 3 liters TDI engine. Before I show you the location of the fuel flow control valve on the car, I'll show you the wiring diagram for it in the service manual. In the service manual, I'm going to select the car, select the engine, and then show you the wiring diagram and the component location. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So here in the service manual, we're going to find the fuel flow control valve. That's a photo of it, how it looks like. And on the component locations, it's number 12, which is right there. It's somewhere on the front of the engine. Next, I'll show you the wiring diagram for the fuel flow control valve. The fuel flow control valve is located right there, illuminated in blue, Y194, and it has two wires, blue and gray, going into the engine control module. And second one is a red, black and white, and it's going up there into a fuse F7. Next, I'll show you the location of the fuel flow control valve on the engine. In the service manual, we saw that it's located on the front of the engine, and it's located right there onto the high pressure fuel pump. That's the high pressure fuel pump right there, and that's the fuel flow control valve. This is the electrical connector for the fuel flow control valve, and we can see that there is two wires on the connector. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.